Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Sadia Asif. I am your English text teacher. In my previous video we have done few exercises of unit rumors. Today we will do the remaining exercises. This is our English textbook and the unit name is rumors. The first page which we will do is page 24, vocabulary. Circle the animals and underline its movements word. Here the few sentences are given you. You have to circle the name of animal and underline the movements of animals. Number 1, the deer leaps up the hill. In this sentence, deer is a name of animal. You have to circle it and underline leaps. It is movement. Number 2, rhinoceros that tramples the grass. Here, rhinoceros is the name of animal and trample is its movement. Then what we do? Circle the rhinoceros and underline tramples. The hare burrows along the fence. Here is a name of animal. Circle it and burrows its movement. Underline it. The hungry tiger pounces on its food. Tiger is the name of animal. It will be circle and pounces its movement. Underline it. The lion strides across the field. Lion is the name of animal. Then we will circle it and strides is a movement. Then we will underline it. Now come to page number 25. It's your grammar page. In this page what you have to do, you have to use must or must not. First you have to understand how we will use must or must not. Must or must not to show something that should or should not done. We can say it कि जो चीज़ ज़रूरी होती है, बहुत ज़रूरी, उसके लिए हम मस्ट यूज़ करेंगे और जो चीज़ हमारे लिए ज़रूरी नहीं होगी हम उसके लिए मस्ट नॉट यूज़ करेंगे. Now come to the exercise. Read the sentences below. Circle the correct options. Number 1, we must not listen to rumors. Here must not the correct answer. Number 2, you must not wash your hands before you eat. Here must will be correct answer. Number 3, the oven is hot. You must not touch it. Must not is a right answer. We must not brush our teeth every day. We must brush our teeth every day. Must is a right answer. Number 5, we must not talk and eat at the same time. Must not is the right answer. Now page number 26. It's a punctuation page. Punctuation means here we use direct speech refers to a speaker's exact words. We use speech marks or inverted commas to show the direct speech. I will explain you how you will do it. You have to use full stop. Full stop is used to end of the sentence. Comma is used to show a pause in a sentence. Question mark used at the end of an interrogative sentence to form a question. Or quotation mark or speech mark are same. We use it to show that. Exclamation mark used to show shock, surprise, anger or a brace voice. Now come to the exercise. Circle the 5 punctuation rules for direct speech in each sentence. The first one has been done for you. Number 1. Mom ask, comma, inverted commas or in speech mark are the same thing. What are you looking what are you looking at? Here you see the W is circle, it's mean it's a capital letter. Okay? In punctuation we always use the capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. What are you looking for at? And this is the question that's in the end. Question mark will come, and because it is a quotation, then we use speech marks here or the quotation mark. Number 2, the trees have colorful clothes, said Cain. Here we circle the speech mark first, and in the quotation exclamation mark also will be circled, and again the speech mark, and in the end the full stop. We have to circle all the speech mark, or you can say the punctuation marks, we have to circle it. Number 3, Mom smiled at and said, yes, the trees turn colorful in autumn. In this sentence, after the set, comma will be circled, and before yes the quotation mark, and we circle the y of yes also, and comma will come, and in the end the quotation mark and full stop also will be circled. Mom said, well done son, you are very creative. In this sentence, comma, speech mark, and W of well will be circled, and again the comma will be circled, exclamation mark will be circled, y of u is in circle, and in the end full stop and speech mark again circle. Number 5, thank you mom, said Cain as he gave her a big hug. In this sentence, in the starting the speech mark, it will be circled. After you, comma will be circled, exclamation mark will be circled, and speech mark, ending speech mark will be circled. And again, comma of after Cain will be circled, and in the end, the full stop will be circled. Now come to the spelling page 27. Read the words below. List for the long OW sound. Here the few words are given you: town, crawl, brown, down, owl, flower, power, crowd. And we have to fill in the blanks these words according to their meanings. Town means a small area, crawl means Gurrana, brown is the name of a color, down means niche, owl is the name of a bird, flower means phool, power means taqat, crowd means rush. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the words from the word list above. Number 1, the dash seldom sleeps at night. Here the picture of owl is given you, and you can easily write the correct answer, the owl. Number 2, I gave my mother a pink flower. Number 3, Tim fell down and hurt his knee. Number 4, there was a large crowd at the beach. Number 5, the phone has run out of power. Dear students, now your book exercise is finished, and you have to read it properly and do practice it. Inshallah, next time I will come with our copy work. Allah Hafiz.